We just woke up. Oh my god. Okay, so my alarms both failed to go off. I think it's because my phone was in airplane mode. And so now it's 8:45 and 4:30 when we were lying in bed, dead out cold sleeping. When I woke up, looked at my phone, was like, oh my gosh. Yeah. All for that, and we even had enough time to grab a little bit of a snack in the bag. Nom 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 nom. They're late. Grrr. She's a real popper. So we're just on our tour bus, and now we're going to transfer to another tour bus because this just takes us to a depot from our hotel. There's everywhere we walked yesterday. Sweet. Viva Las Vegas, baby. Taking a look at the map, you know, places we've gone. So we've gone all the way to the end over here. We walked down here last night from our hotel, which is over here. I know we want to go down here to Stratosphere maybe tonight, but then again, we also want to watch the lava show coming out of over here, somewhere in here, and then we might want to come down here and watch the water fountain show. We caught a bit of it yesterday, but I didn't get it on camera. It was pretty sweet looking, but we haven't seen the lava yet. So yeah, if we can do that and maybe head over to Stratosphere, that'd be sweet tonight. Got our deluxe tour bands, oh boy, and some smart water to get started. Behold the mountains of Las Vegas. Side of the tour bus. So deserty. The other side you can't even end this. I'll have to get it on the way back, but yeah. Ooh, sunflowers.
There are campgrounds for tenting and hookups for RVs. There are places around the lake where you can rent jet skis and boats, or it's fun to even rent a houseboat for a few days.
That is a hell of a bridge. Holy smokes. The bypass bridge. Holy smokes.
Off right there, the bridge is up above us right there.
Holy.
Reminds me of the Golden Arch.
That's awesome. Got our tickets. Now we're gonna go to the damn tour finally. Damn tour. That bridge was really cool up top. I want to definitely get another photo of that. Yeah. That was sweet.
It's called the Power Plant Tour.
Power plant.
A power plant.
Where the plant has power. There's the bridge again. Holy eh. Look at this guy. He's rappelling. Hello. Jess is like, oh, it's so hot. Which it is. It is cooking today. I couldn't even imagine trying to build this in this heat. I wonder why so many people died. It's crazy. Look down there. That's the beginning, and then you go up, 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 up. Oh my god, 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 I'm already started. Leaving the elevator. In the belly of the beast. Whoa. Into the darkness we went, looking around. That's pretty sweet. Holy smokes. Well, bam. In the belly of the beast. That's pretty sweet. Whoa, focus. As you can see on here, we're actually right here. So now we're gonna go from right here and we're gonna go into here. Level 2. Super chill. Just kinda.
For a total of 17 generators. Each can produce 130 megawatts for a total of 2,080 megawatts. Ladies and gentlemen, that's enough power to supply over 1.3 million homes.
So we finished the guided tour. Now we're just walking through the interactive part, taking a look at some of the stuff and reading it up, and then we're gonna go up to the good old lookout. It's kind of cool. And in case you're wondering how it all works, got this kind of thing going on. So take a look at that.
Okay, do it this way.
Perfect. And this is the inside of a generator. Oh boy. Wow. Magnets. Jessica, magnets.
Magnets.
There you go. Jessica, do you have a thrust bearing? Do you have an upper guided bearing?
No.
How about a collection ring? Definitely don't have brakes. Alright guys, let's see if I can power my garage. Power tools.
Can you keep it going? Use those muscles, baby. How many can you do? Washing machine. Keep going.
Put the laundry in. Oh, now we're draining.
No, you're going down.
There we go.
Right. And that's how it's done.
Goes from there all the way down to the transformer plant. Just step it up or step it down so it doesn't blow up your house. To another step down transformer. To your diner, your Ben and Jerry's, and whatever else you have in your home. It's another damn picture. That's so pretty. You go down, 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 down. And there's the one.
Above the valve
There's a really cool
houses
bridge again.
stretching across the canyon.
Anybody looking for a lizard?
It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limited.
It's crazy when you look at this and they've told you that it was 7 feet from the top. It was at the highest, I guess it was in 1980 something there. You're just looking at it here and you're like, holy smokes. Yeah, they're definitely down a lot of water. How'd you like the dam tour, Toots?
It was okay.
Toots?
It was okay, Toots.
Toots?
How'd you like it?
It was pretty good. It was definitely worth the money if you're in Vegas, but again, it's one of the most automated tours I've ever been on. There's no real like personal feel to it. I find zero. It's just like, all right, you've been through.
But
Next.
chocolate store.
Ooh, Mrs. Chocolate Connoisseur. Well, that's not a bad view. See, they got a boat marina down there. It's nice driving. It'll be fun to go tubing there, eh? Sweet. I'm dying. This kid, I tell you. 18 plus tour next time. Jessica, you all ready for this all-you-can-eat buffet? She's sharpening her knife. Oh, is it nice and scratchy? Leftovers.
Not a good way to start the buffet.
That's Jessica's meal. As you can see, it's a mixture. And then you got mine. Spaghetti on the bottom, turkey on the top, a little bit of Chinese food, some Brussels sprouts, ooh, and pizza. Let's do this. Killed it. She's still going. I guess I should actually drink now. Sexy Jessica, hiya! We were just threw a couple bucks in at the casino, and I turned $1 into $4, and then I lost it all, but I kept. It's funny, just sitting there for a half an hour, probably got a couple free drinks. It's always nice. Anybody order a cactus? There's a lot of bloody cactuses in here. Holy smokes. This is outside the chocolate place, so now let's go see what this guy who made Mars bars and M&Ms has to offer. Where the M&M guys are currently at work making candy. Ooh, you hungry? You'd like eat half the ingredients in there. Scary. Ooh, melting the chocolate. Melting tank. Ooh, there it goes in the molds. Here they go. Into the chocolate dungeon. Packaging area. Where chocolate goes, be eating. Up close and personal. Guess they're getting ready. Valentine's Day next year. Oh yeah. And this is where you can go to buy it. They had chocolate covered pretzels over there and she's going nuts. Oh boy. And milk chocolate pecans. You find something you want there, Jessica?
Maybe.
Milk chocolate pecans. There's so much here. And the milk chocolate tastes just like the advent calendars. So good. Jessica, time to spin. Let's see what she gets this time. Keep going, keep going. Oh, it launched. What's
Look at the lizard.
Focus, 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 focus. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Hold it. There we go. Cool. It's got a lizard next to a cactus.
It's pretty cool.
Sweet. Jessica, did you get a goodie bag?
Yeah. Oh, do you have a name on it? Name.
It's alright. It's not like it's gonna last very long. Got milk chocolate pecans, and we got like some mixed nut bar, and then
Has almonds.
you got a sea salt and caramel. There you go. Here's Stratosphere, guys. We look really close at the tip. It's got like a elevator on the top, so they're going up and down. Whoa! And there you drop. And then plus up there, there's a couple more rides. That'd be pretty sweet to do. I don't think I'm gonna make it up there this trip though. So, how'd you like the tour?
It was good for the most part.
Exactly.
I wouldn't do it again though.
Well, no, it's one of those things like everyone says about the canyons and the dam. You just do it once. You do the dam tour once.
That's right.
It was pretty good, except for the fact we had a screaming kid for a quarter of it. But it was definitely worth it. Either way, we're gonna go back up to the hotel, get ready, and then I think we're gonna go to the Mirage and check out all these jungle cats and dolphins. Everybody loves the flippin' dolphins. Show me your cup, girl. Lisa, show me your cup, girl. See, we all got our nom-noms back on. We're chilling with Roy at the hotel with the peeps. You guys gotta see this. He picked up a jellyfish light. It's sick. It's a real jelly. You can pick it up, and then you get the light, and then you can. That's sweet.
A little bit more shade.
We are walking down to the Bellagio so we can watch the fountains. Then it's up to the Hershey store, and then at some point we're hoping we're gonna make it down to Stratosphere because I want to see the whole view from up there. Should be sweet. Okay. crap, that was a crazy, crazy show. You definitely gotta make it out to take a look at it. It's just one song, but still.
That was so pretty.
Was it? You liked it? Oh, it's slippery, but you get stuck on the ruts. Nice. We made it! She's so happy. Let's go take a look. Ooh, I already see Reese's Pieces. This is dangerous. Look at all this, oh my gosh. Look, it aren't you just a little peanut butter cup? Reese's, Reese's, Reese's. Oh my god. I just gained 10 pounds. Alright, we're gonna walk around and take a look. I'll fire this up if we see anything. Ugh. Choose your color. Holy smokes. That's a lot of kisses. Oh boy. Look at the size of these. Jessica, stand next to one of those bottles.
Bigger than my head.
Holy smokes. And she found a blanket that's super soft. Jessica is totally gonna try something. She found something. Oh boy. Tell me how it is. Verdict? How does it taste?
Oh my god. One peanut
Oh
butter,
my god,
one
that's
cream,
so
and
good.
$4 for 20 at the bottom.
Look at that. Oh my god. What? What? Reese's sandals, Reese's everything. Reese's bear. This is dangerous. Jessica, why would you bring me here?
Because I love you.
Oh. Icebreakers. You there? And all those are Jolly Ranchers. What's up? Oh boy, is that a scented candle?
The blue raspberry one.
I can smell it from here. Oh boy. Yep, she totally bought it. What a blankie and chocolates. Nice.
Oh my god.
Now let's go look around before she buys more stuff. Jessica's not ready to do the coaster.
I didn't want to do it.
I just tried to get her to do it, but she's like, no, 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 no. We were right up there, and then either way, there's a longer lineup than usual, so just means we're gonna head over to Stratosphere a little earlier. Okay. Here we go. Ready?
What'd you get?
Harley. Las Vegas. Let's see if I can get it to zip. There we go. That's so cool. It's dope in here. Take a look.
Girl's ass.
Wow. Creepy.
People.
Guy's taking a picture of some girl's butt. And Jessica was like, I'm gonna play defender and get in the way, you know? Either way, we got a Harley Davidson shirt, looks super cool. And now we got a guy playing the bagpipes. Woo woo! Alright guys, so when you're doing this, because now that we've totally mastered this, before you push your coins in, make sure you wind this to where it says your engravement, and then choose the one you want. There's so, like us, we didn't even realize this, but most of them, we didn't realize that you could roll it to where you want it. So you put it on the one you want, push it in,
Put your coins in.
we'll borrow, and now wind it, and let's see if it does it. Jessica, use the muscles, use the muscles. All right, let's see if it's the one.
It's the monkey one. Oh, raw upside down hand.
There you go.
There we go.
Jess, is it cool in here?
I like it.
That's the cool looking roof and stuff. It's super chill. Let's see Jess playing with her toys. Or you should grab that octopus. Let's see you wave the octopus there. Jessica, are you having nuggets? Yes, you are. We're having one last nuggets. We figured continue the streak, and it's over after this. We don't get nuggets a lot, so this is gonna end it. She's totally posing at the Bellagio. That's cool. And of course, you got the pretty cars right there. It's neat. It's too bad that we can't go in. They're already closed. Oh well. It's nice looking. It's pretty cool. Nice looking Bellagio. Well guys, everything that we miss about home is right here. Look at that. That's so cool. Beautiful. Right here. You can see the website. That's sweet. Second waterfall. First waterfall bridge. So that's the one thing the Encore, I guess, and the Wynn over there have in common. They're just total greenery. So most hotels use water for their fountains. They use it for their plants. It looks really good. And then you got this, like the old Dutch kind of style closing windows and stuff. That looks kind of neat. I like it. It's cool. That is so nuts.
That's really cool.
Look at all that lighting. Oh, that's crazy. We gotta go in there after. For now, we're almost to the Stratosphere. Look, it's the Kurl. Mr. Kurl. Welcome to Stratosphere. Holy. Insane. Take a look at that view. Jessica, what do you think? That's pretty crazy, eh? Wow. That's nice looking. That's a wicked view, eh? That is definitely our hotels and stuff over there. It's gonna be a nice walk back. There's Circus. Oh, Jessica, how'd you like it?
Sucks. And my legs are sore. Very sore.
It was a big,
long walk.
yeah, it was a long walk
Especially
down
if you're in
here.
the main strip. Walk all the way down here. It's not worth
We
it.
totally went up there and we thought, oh, it'll be sweet. You know what? We were told it was going to be free, so we came down here. It wasn't free. It was $20 per person. And so that already put a sour taste in our mouth. And then we actually went up there, and it really wasn't that. I mean,
The Ferris wheel with a better view.
yes, the Ferris wheel gives you a much better view. That up there, you get up there. If you're doing the rides, it's worth it. If you're not doing the rides, don't even bother. If you're too scared to do the rides, just watch them from the bottom, really. But yeah, that's basically our little review of that. We're gonna start walking back towards Harrah's. Yeah, should be fun. And then, yeah, pretty much just snuggle in for the night because tomorrow is our flight back. But we also, yeah, and then we're also we're gonna go see probably the Jungle Cats tomorrow with the dolphins. Possibly in the morning we'll see.
Yeah,
All
that
depends.
I'm looking forward to. I can't wait to see that.
So we decided we're not gonna go to Circus. We're at that point where we're kind of like, we're just done.
Done with Vegas.
We're done with Vegas for right now. We'll see how we feel in the morning. But I think, yeah, like I said, it's not gonna be Circus night tonight. Check out this flag. Holy crap. This is in Treasure Island, by the way. That is sick. Alright guys, we're going to bed. I'm so tired, it's ridiculous. Show me your feet. That's from
so
walking
dirty.
on the strip. The strip is so dirty. Mine isn't too bad.
Not
but
compared to mine.
look at this, it's actually shiny. Oh man.
have to wash your
Look at your
feet.
heel, yeah.
I know.
Time for a quick foot shower and then tomorrow's the last day. So we'll see what we've got. Yeah, I gotta pack up everything. Our hotel room looks crazy right now.
It's kind of a mess.
Crazy. Alright guys, thanks again if you're following along. See you tomorrow.